This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing your Mac so the live wallpaper can run smoothly. First, make sure your macOS is recent enough. Older builds may lack needed APIs. Next, install one trusted app that provides live wallpapers, pick one official app and avoid multiple sources. Once installed, grant required permissions in security and privacy, screen recording and accessibility if prompted, because the app must render over the desktop. Finally, restart the app and keep energy, settings in mind, to avoid sleep-interrupting playback. Now you pick and configure the wallpaper itself. You choose a compatible format, MP4 for video, HTML5 for interactive, or the app's native package, because the renderer expects specific types. Once selected, tweak playback. Loop continuously, mute audio, and cap frame rate between 30 and 60 to balance smoothness with battery life. Then assign it to the correct display. If you have multiple monitors, set per display scaling and positioning so the image fills without stretching. Finally, save the profile to recall settings quick. Finish by making the live wallpaper persistent and reliable. Enable Launch at Login or set the app to run in the background so the wallpaper returns after reboot. Monitor performance. Check CPU and GPU usage in Activity Monitor. If it climbs too high, lower resolution or frame rate. Make sure energy saver settings don't suspend the app. If the wallpaper disappears, reopen security and privacy to re-grant permissions, restart the app, and as a last resort reinstall. This usually resolves permission or update-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.